Welcome to our guide on organic pest control for your garden. Pests can be a real problem for gardeners, causing damage to your plants and crops and reducing their yield. While there are many chemical pest control options available, many of these can be harmful to the environment and your health. In this video, we'll show you how to keep pests at bay using natural and environmentally friendly methods. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, you'll learn tips and tricks for creating a healthy and thriving garden free from pests. Number 1. Know your pests. Before you can control pests in your garden, it's important to know what you're dealing with. Take the time to identify the type of pest and its life cycle. This information will help you choose the most effective control method for your situation. Number 2. Create a healthy soil. A healthy soil is key to a healthy garden. Make sure to add compost, mulch, and other organic matter to your soil to create a balanced environment for your plants. A healthy soil will provide the nutrients your plants need to grow strong and resist pests. Number 3. Use natural pesticides. There are many natural and organic options for controlling pests, such as neem oil, garlic, and chili pepper. Experiment to find what works best for your garden. For example, neem oil can be used as a natural insecticide to control pests like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Garlic and chili pepper can be made into a spray to repel pests and discourage them from damaging your plants. Number 4. Plant companion plants. Certain plants have natural repelling properties that can help keep pests away from your other plants. Consider planting marigolds, chives, and lavender in your garden. These plants emit strong scents that can repel pests like aphids, slugs, and beetles. Number 5. Encourage natural predators. Birds, ladybugs, and other beneficial insects are natural predators of many garden pests. Encourage them to visit your garden by providing birdhouses, bird baths, and other habitats. By attracting these natural predators to your garden, you can reduce the pest population and keep your plants healthy. Number 6. Handpick pests. For small infestations, handpicking pests and removing them from your garden is an effective and organic solution. Regularly inspecting your plants and removing any pests you find will help keep their population under control. Number 7. Use traps. Sticky traps, pheromone traps, and other types of traps can help capture pests before they do any damage to your plants. For example, pheromone traps can be used to attract and capture pests like moths, beetles, and flies, reducing their population in your garden. Number 8. Cover your plants. Covering your plants with floating row covers or screens can prevent pests from reaching them. Just make sure to remove the covers when it's time for pollination. This method can be particularly effective for preventing pests like caterpillars, cutworms, and beetles from damaging your plants. Number 9. Practice crop rotation. Crop rotation is a technique used to prevent pests and diseases from becoming established in your garden. By planting different crops in different areas each year, you can disrupt the life cycle of pests and reduce their population. For example, if you grew tomatoes in one area of your garden last year, try planting beans or carrots in the same area this year. Number 10. Monitor your garden. Regularly checking your garden for pests and damage is key to controlling infestations. Take action as soon as you notice any signs of trouble. Regular monitoring will help you spot problems early and address them before they get out of hand. Keep a close eye on your plants for signs of stress, like yellowing leaves or stunted growth, which can indicate a pest problem. By following these tips for organic pest control, you'll be able to create a healthy and thriving garden that is free from pests. Remember, a healthy soil, companion plants, and natural predators can go a long way in keeping pests under control. With a little effort and patience, you'll be well on your way to a beautiful and productive garden. Do you have any other organic pest control techniques that have worked for you? Share them with our community in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.